Okay, I decided to replace only 3 of them. After close inspection, these seem to be okay, and these are the 3. As you can see, I hope you can see anyway. I've put under the light a bit. You can see at the top there it's bulging. So that one's definitely gone. And this one, again, if you see at the top there where the cross is, it's slightly puffed up. That's a sure sign of this also being on the way out. In fact, this one's got a little bit of casing coming through the middle. So what I've done is I've actually replaced these now. I've desoldered these and soldered some new ones in. The price for the 3 caps, which is this one, and this one, came to £1.95 from a nice shop in Bolton. What I'm going to do now is put the television back together again in reverse order to what I showed you before. Hopefully it'll come on without any clicking, so here goes.